Every broiler chicken begins its journey at a highly controlled breeder farm. Strict biosecurity protects both the birds and the production process.
Healthy breeder flocks produce the fertile eggs needed for the next generation.
Specially designed nesting systems keep fertile eggs clean and protected.
Every egg is carefully inspected before entering the hatchery process. Digital tracking ensures complete traceability for every batch.
Controlled storage preserves embryo health before incubation. Specialized refrigerated transport protects the eggs during every kilometer of the journey. The fertile eggs now begin their journey to one of the world's most advanced hatcheries.
Good morning. The shipment looks excellent.
Morning. I'll just sign the confirmation now.
Every fertile egg is carefully sanitized to eliminate harmful microorganisms before incubation. Advanced imaging technology ensures that only healthy fertile eggs continue to incubation.
Every tray receives a unique identity, allowing complete monitoring throughout the incubation cycle.
Precise environmental control creates ideal conditions for embryo development. Regular automatic turning prevents embryos from sticking to the shell and promotes healthy development. Continuous monitoring ensures healthy embryo growth throughout the incubation period. Maintaining perfect environmental conditions is essential for successful hatching. As hatching approaches, the eggs are carefully transferred into specialized hatching trays. The final stage of incubation is complete. Soon, thousands of healthy chicks will begin to hatch.
After 21 days of careful incubation, new life begins to emerge.
Thousands of healthy chicks hatch within hours, under carefully controlled conditions.
Before handling, the chicks naturally dry and regain their strength. Automated handling minimizes stress while maintaining efficiency.
Early vaccination helps protect the flock from common poultry diseases.
Artificial intelligence guarantees precise counting with remarkable accuracy. Special transport boxes provide fresh air and protection during delivery.
Everything seems to be in order. The climate control is steady.
Yes, sir. We are ready to seal up now.
From the hatchery, the chicks begin the next chapter of their journey at a modern broiler farm. After a carefully controlled journey, the day-old chicks arrive at their new growing facility. Inside the broiler house, every environmental condition is carefully optimized for healthy growth. The first hours of feeding are critical for strong early development.
With proper nutrition, clean water, and a precisely controlled environment, the chicks begin the rapid growth that defines modern broiler farming.
Advanced environmental controls continuously adjust the poultry house to provide ideal growing conditions every hour of the day. Routine inspections help ensure every flock remains healthy throughout its rapid growth cycle. Automated nutrition systems provide constant access to fresh feed and clean water, supporting healthy development. Modern poultry farms use artificial intelligence to monitor growth, ensuring every flock develops uniformly.
The reports look excellent. Mortality rates are very low.
Yes, they are thriving. The new feed formula seems to be working well.
The broilers have entered their fastest period of growth, supported by constant nutrition and precise environmental control. As the birds grow, their nutritional requirements change, requiring carefully balanced feed formulations. Artificial intelligence tracks flock performance every day, allowing farmers to make accurate management decisions. Maintaining ideal environmental conditions helps maximize both bird welfare and production efficiency. Careful daily management ensures every bird continues growing safely, efficiently, and consistently. Careful handling and specialized transport systems help maintain bird welfare as the flock leaves the growing farm. Careful handling and specialized transport systems help maintain bird welfare as the flock leaves the growing farm. The journey from hatchery to broiler farm is complete. The next stage begins inside one of the world's advanced digital traceability allows every production batch to be monitored from farm to finished product.
Comprehensive inspection and strict hygiene protocols help ensure quality standards are maintained throughout the production process.
Rapid chilling helps preserve product quality and prepares the production line for the next stage of automated processing. Maintaining an uninterrupted cold chain helps preserve product quality before distribution. Advanced logistics systems prepare thousands of shipments for fast and efficient delivery. Continuous monitoring keeps products moving safely from the processing plant to distribution centers. Modern distribution centers. After an uninterrupted cold chain, the finished product reaches consumers with freshness carefully preserved. The journey continues.
Carefully managed production helps deliver wholesome food from farm to family.